How to enable Android System WebView. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you launch the settings application, scroll down and tap on apps. Now tap on manage apps, and as you tap on manage apps, you can see different apps over here. Simply scroll down and you can see the option of Android System WebView. Now if this is grayed out, what you can simply do is you can scroll down and tap on the option of Google Chrome. So let's tap on the Chrome option, and you can simply tap on force stop option over here at the bottom left corner, because a lot of time Chrome also does not helps in enabling the Android System WebView. But now since we do not have the grayed version or the grayed out part of Android System WebView, what you can simply do is you can just go back on settings, tap on additional settings, and check if we have developer options toggled on. So since we have developer options toggled on, we have enabled Android System WebView. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.